你好，我是 Rachel， 很开心见到你。我喜欢旅行，曾经去过很多地方，也喜欢不同国家的文化。我喜欢锻炼，尤其喜欢瑜伽。我有很丰富的教学经验，从事教育行业4年了。曾经教过中国小朋友拼音、识字、作文，还有英语，很受学生和家长的欢迎。我是一位很有耐心也很热情的老师，欢迎你加入我的课堂，我们一起开心快乐地学习中文。再见。Hello, I am teacher Rachel. Nice to see you. I love traveling. I have been to many places. I love cultures in different countries. I love training, especially doing yoga. I have been teaching for 4 years and got a lot of experience. I have taught Chinese kids pinyin, characters, composition, and English. I am popular with students and parents. I hope we can learn Chinese together in an interesting way. I believe you can improve your Chinese skills very well with my enough patience. Join us, please. Can't wait to see you. Bye bye.